What's up, everybody? This is Abushad back with another sketcher model. In this video, I'm going to talk about the stages of house constructions and material alignment, size and dimensions of different components, right? So, and this one is the stage number two. This one is the stage number three. This one is the stage number four. And this one is the final stage once the house gets completed. So I'm going to talk about the first initial stages, right? The whole plinth area of the house is 50 feet in length and 38 feet in width, right? And the parking come walk-in is 12 feet by 17 feet, which is in front of the main gate. The passage, the front passage of the house is 3 feet wider. The drawing room and the sitting area is very close to the main entrance for the convenient, right? The kitchen is located to the dining so that easily can be served. And both the bedroom is much closer and adjacent to the sitting central area, right? This is the not bedroom. These are the master bedroom because all are having attached bathroom and toilet, right? And every component has shown with different colors so that easily you can identify the column, walls, floor, and different materials been used in these constructions. Now, first the footing and then the column. First footing and then the column should be constructed prior to the wall, right? This is the stage number three. After the casting of column, then the wall should be uh, laid, right? Now I'm showing you the realistic material being used once the construction is completed, right? Now you will have the visuals of 3D materials, which looks like realistic. This is the uh, kitchenware, dining, and this is the bedroom. These are the bedrooms, car, and sofas and everything here. Now the terrace, which big bed cover for the waterproofing. So I'm showing the very close-up view of this house. You can easily uh, get the visualizations. Check this out. Check this out. Very close up. Another one. See how it looks beautiful. Now I'm showing you the front elevation of the house with proper standard. The floor to floor height is 10 feet and the size of the window is 5 feet, about 4 feet. This is the overhead, one can say, and the dimension of the column is 1 feet by 9 inches, right? I'm showing you the model with different angles so that you can easily understand the both side views. Another angle view, look at that. Very close up. Here we go. Now I'm showing you the plinth. If your house is being constructed in the elevated portion, no need to provide the plinth. If your house is down to the road level, you need to provide the plinth as per the road height, right? It should be checked with water level. Check this out. Here we go. Now, if you watched me up to here, thank you so much for your kind and attentions. Please subscribe this channel for your more updates. This is Abushad signing off. Bye bye.